Afternoon, everybody. I got a catching rainwater and got a simple solution. Instead of moving it by bucket, I went and got a submersible pump. Got these PVC fittings to this brass hose connector from Lowe's, and cost me like $6.50 for these fittings. The pump was $40. Got a 5% discount at I forget, a tool supply or something. So here's the stats on the pump. What I'll do is I'll hook it up right there. Here's the hose running to one of the totes. I'll fill it up, fill up another one. I just got those yesterday. That's why I'm saving water on the top one. Alright, let me get work and I'll start recording. Okay, here goes. Power switch. Drop it in. Plug it up. Voila, water's transferring to the tank. Working just fine. I used to take this bucket, take a scoop, put it in the 5-gallon. Get a scoop, put it in the 5-gallon. And then I'd have that bucket full, walk it over, and pour it in the top of the tanks. That was a little too much work for me. That's some good pressure, I'll tell you that. These are my chores for the day. And start putting water in the other tank, the high one, or this one over here, if I can. Yep. Switch them over. Yeah, that'll work. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So, a lot easier than what I was doing. You can see I've emptied the buckets that quick. That was a good $40 investment. 46. So here it is. I'm gonna unplug this one. Okay, I'll get this video out to you guys listening. Subscribe. Hit the like button, and I want to thank all of y'all for excellent 100 subscribers now. I'm over 100 subscribers. Thank you guys. All right, stay safe. Bye.